Hi everybody, welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop, and this is Amy. I am going to do a kitting up today on a diamond painting that I bought when I first started diamond painting, and I never got to it. So this has been several years ago, I believe, and I figured this might be a good time to do it. So we're going to work on this one. Let me know if you have this one and have completed it, because like I said, it's an old one. So let's open it up. So this is from Home Craftology, and this is I think they have done some work on their diamond paintings since then. So it's probably not going to be the same as what I have now, because I think they have upgraded some things, if I'm not mistaken. But this one is, okay, so there's no name on it. But this is what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to call it the rose. There are 19 colors. I'm going to use this container holder, or drill holder, that I'm calling a drill holder. I got this from, oh yes, Harbor Freight. And I really like them. But I'm going to take off these stickers real quick. So how I usually do this, if it's a cap that comes off easily, or that comes off completely, I will put a sticker on top and bottom. But I don't think I need to do that with this one, although I have done it, it looks like. So I'm going to take these off. So let me do that real quick. I think if I think about it, I'm going to go back and if they still have them, and get some more, because I do like these. The only thing, let me see, are these easy? They are a little bit cheap, so I was trying to see if the little, there's a little lip it thingy to lock it down. So, you know, I don't know how long that's going to last, but right now it's working just fine. So we're going to go with that, because I think there's 24 containers in here. I have all kinds of different containers since I started diamond painting. I've been trying to find the best one, and it just really depends on your diamond painting and how many diamonds that you, diamond colors that you need to kit up. This one, of course, again, has only 19, and this one holds 24, so we're just going to go with it. And one thing that's great about this, right now I'm noticing, is that these stickers come off so easy. Usually when I'm taking these stickers off this, it's like I have to go and wash them. I have to do some Goo Gone. It's ridiculous what I have to go through, and it's on these. I have some round ones with caps that I can get from Hobby Lobby, which I love them. They're the screw caps, which I like. But man, these stickers are hard to get off of that. So yeah, I have to take a good 30 plus minutes to wash them and get the stickers off. That's no fun. So I hope everybody's having a good weekend. Today is Saturday the 11th, 1/11/2025. And we had a snowstorm started yesterday, so we work was called off, and I was more than happy. And now we've got a beautiful landscape right now, so maybe I'll take some video of it and you guys can see what we're looking at. Okay, I think all the stickers are off. So that was super easy. So you can see the picture here. Sorry, I'm trying to get used to where this camera lens is. So that's what we're looking at, and then these are the symbols. So we'll see if this one turns out. I hope it does, because I love roses. I am a sucker for roses. I'm gonna fix this. I don't know if y'all can see there's some wrinkles in there. Let me see if I could just do this. If that will help take care of that. Ooh, yes it did. So just lift. I had somebody ask me about one diamond painting that's super big. I may start that later on in the year because it's more of a spring type picture. But it is super big, and that one's going to take me months as well. This one I hope will only take me, you know, a month at the most. I'm hoping no more than a month. Okay, oh, that looks way better. Okay, that works. So you don't see those wrinkles. And that's just from taking the plastic off this way and smoothing it down, and taking it off this way and smoothing it down. So there's that. So let's take that out of the way for the moment. And let's look at these drills. So this is a round drill. This kit comes with a little drill tray. These are all letters. Oh good, I'm going to put the letters on here too. So this one is R, the symbols I should say. I'm doing all my singles first, and then we'll get into the multiple bags. That is so pretty. I love that color. So I have been actually doing 2 videos a week so far. I said I was only going to do 1 or 2 a month, but I've been able to squeeze in 2. So that's pretty good for the new year. Since I wasn't expecting to do this much. Okay, so that's the last one. So let's see. Let's put these in order. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Which is correct because this one was 2 boxes. So nice. We've got them all ready. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. The next video for this diamond painting is going to be me working on it, and I'm hoping to do a time-lapse type video. So there's probably not going to be a lot of talking. And then the video after that will be what I do with it after it's completed. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and comment in the comments below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you all for sharing this time with me. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time.